Hello, Velvet.
Yes?
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming to you with an awesome, easy weight loss video for you today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 11 pounds of that stubborn belly fat in 1 week. And this is a simple tea, you guys. You can easily make this in the morning and be out the door. And there's so many wonderful benefits to this easy tea. Now, the ingredients you're seeing before you is all you're going to need. You're going to need some cinnamon sticks, some organic honey, and water. That's it. So let's get our pot on the stove, which is already boiling. So you're going to add in at least a cup and a half of water, and we're going to also put in 1 cinnamon stick. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now this is pretty big. All right, now if you want to use the powdered cinnamon, you can use the powdered cinnamon, and you would use a half a teaspoon of your powdered cinnamon. So let me pop that into my pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my pot and bring this to a slow boil. I'm going to boil this for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will be back. And let's pour our tea now. It's nice and cool. It's steeped on the stove. Look at that beautiful rich color, you guys. If you choose to have it a little sweet, you can add in a teaspoon of honey. Okay, but the cinnamon has a sweetened taste to it already, which means you really don't have to sweeten your tea. If you want to add some lemon juice, that's good too. But this is going to help to boost your metabolism. It's going to reduce bad cholesterol. It's going to stabilize blood sugar levels in your body in order to see the weight loss. And if you're diabetic, this is going to help to manage your blood sugar spikes. And it's going to benefit your body, especially in the morning, regarding weight loss. So all you have to do is be consistent. Drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Also incorporate your healthy eating, lots of light meals, fruits and vegetables, and you will definitely see weight loss, okay? So for those of you who are going through some struggles, who's trying to get rid of that visceral fat, that stomach area, this is going to help and take it to another level, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, fashion hauls, family challenges, and more, all right? And also check down below for the links for your personal size NUTRIBULLET, your full-size NUTRIBULLET, reusable straws, and more. All right, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to thumbs this up. And until the next time, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.